back, everybody. Today is the 17th of September. Ugh. I'm on one of my favorite little roads, 720. Come on, cruise control. What are we doing? 726, maybe? It goes from 56 down to Lake Hope, if you know the area. Oh, I see a sign down here. Prevent forest fires, people. Yeah, it's supposed to rain today, so, you know, I was like, oh, it's not raining, I'm going for a ride, and these back roads are on the wet side, but, you know, you don't have to worry about it, you just ride. I wish they were a little drier down through here, because I really like to come down through here at speed, I'm not gonna lie. These turns are incredible in this road. They just cut all the trees back before the trees would come right to the edge of the road. So the last year or so they've been doing that. So it's not quite as pretty, but I get why they do it. It makes it a little safer for everybody. And 24,191.8 miles on this thing already. It is just crazy the amount of miles. That I put on these Spyders, and I really haven't been riding this year at all. The guy waved me on. He's like, I'm just going through here nice and slow like. Go ahead and drop a gear, come into this corner. Ooh, we're going fast, people. Look at that. A whole 64 miles per hour we were going. 278. I was close. What did I say, 276? 278 from 50 all the way up to like 595. It's an incredible road. I think it's in one of the that's a big bird. Yeah, big bird. Top 10 roads in the state of Ohio to ride. Definitely recommend it if you have not been down through here. It starts at 50 or at 595. I'm pretty sure it's 595 that it dead ends into. Yeah, it's like I said, it's just a great little road. Behind me, so this runs north and south. No. Yes. So if you're heading north, it's like a roller coaster. You come over some of these hills and you cannot see the road. And I remember my STS, man, it just scared the crap out of me. For some reason, you didn't feel like you were in that Spyder. You felt more like you were on top of it. And it handled really good, don't get me wrong. But, you know, sometimes you would just get an uneasy feel. The F3s, you feel so much more stable on. Take things so much quicker. You really sit down in an F3. I think that's why I like the F3 a little bit more than the RT. Even though that new RT is absolutely incredible, but the bars are low, I would have to put a set of F3 bars on it, bring the bars up a little bit. Oh yeah, and I hate when they do this. They just cut a section of the road out, and it's usually right where my right tire lays, and then the Spyder kind of walks on the crack a little bit. But this isn't too awful bad. Because I'm dropping way down on it. Yep, there's stuff right there. Lake Hope State. Yep. State Park. And then we have the furnace. Get woed down here a little bit. Yeah, the old furnace there. Yep. First time I saw it, oh, I was like, what in the crazy ancient temple is that? But that's, I mean, it's the old iron furnaces. There's a handful down through here, and that's the only one I've seen. And I don't even know where I'm going today. Lake Hope State Park. 1437. And they're redoing some stuff down here. I think they're redoing the dam, so the water level's been quite low. Kayakers. How about you guys ride and then I can look? Yeah, I don't know when they're going to be done with it. Oh, they put a spillway in. Huh. That's kind of cool. Now I wonder how you get to the swimming area. My music came on, people. Yeah, look at that. Putting in a brand new spillway. Well, let's just take a beach and boat rental. Beach and boat rental, straight. This is really pretty. Ooh, I lit that back tire up. Beach. There's the beach. Maybe it's Burr Oak, what I was thinking about. Kids be tubing. Be kind of cold to go tubing today. 68 degrees. Yeah, don't mind me. Okay. Buckle up, everybody. Free kittens. Yeah, no. Ah. I swear I know how to ride. I swear. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing today. Don't know where I'm riding. It's 2 o'clock. Just chilling. I don't even know which way I'm going to go. So this is going to kind of come to a stop. 278 goes left, and I forget what the other road is. It goes right. Neither one are nice. Maybe I'll go left and just shoot down 50 all the way. 50 is a nice road. I'll take me into Athens, and then I can just take 33 all the way back home, and then I can fix some dinner tonight. I think we're going to be doing some hamburgers, some mac salad, and french fries. Nice healthy dinner. And then I've got 2 pounds to go to my first I don't know what you would call it. So I want to lose 40 pounds. My first goal. There we go. English, people. English. Yeah, so I have 2 pounds, and then I meet my first goal. That'll be 40 pounds down. And then we'll set another goal. I think it'll be 35 pounds after that, and then I think I will be done. So on that, this is going to be a short video. I am just chilling. I need to listen to some music and enjoy the ride. Definitely come down here and check out 278. It is a fantastic ride. Yeah, I know. There's no one here. Got the road to myself, doing my thing. Oh, it's a Honda. It's an old. That's a Mazda. I thought it was like the first gen Honda Odyssey. So on that, I'll let everybody go. Give me a big old thumbs up on today's ramblings, because that's all it is just ramblings yet again. Oh, it's a swamp. It's a swamp, people. Oh, they're flowered. Yeah, all the little white things are flowers. I know the GoPro, you're probably not going to see that too awful well, but that's what it is. And then we got a range right here on the right. Shooting range. Ooh, they got people up in there. So I'm done. I'm done. Music time. So like I said, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you down the road.